the Helldivers. Become part of an elite peacekeeping force! See exotic new life forms. Become a hero. Become a legend. Become a Helldiver.
Allied destroyer joining squadron, deploying Helldiver to combat zone.
Are you the master or the chief? All you guys in armor start to look very samey.
So, that scullion out there's a nice touch. So listen, I know you like smashing bugs with your Starship Troopers and all, but I left my battle bugs at home. So what if we did something else fun instead? You know what would be a real blast? Our Comicon. I think it's our destiny or something.
Will they have democracy, liberty, freedom?
They will have amazing comics, toys, artists, and people just like us. I think they're called cosplayers. Cool, huh? So, that thingy on your wrist, can it get us a lift? It'd be a real shame if we missed the premiere con of the Carolinas. I think it's only a short warp jump from here. It's at the Florence Center, Florence, South Carolina, and it's Saturday, September 13th.
From 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Mission coordinates locked.
Ooh, can that thingamabob find out more info at powercomicon.com? I bet you it can. Come on, Buzz Lightyear, what you got to lose? I mean, unless friendly fire and scary giant robots are your thing.
Go now.
Come on, let's go catch more of those 40,000 Warhammers. I'm all out of raid anyways.
So tender, so juicy. Way, how y'all doing? Make sure you check out Lake Hickory Home in Hickory, North Carolina this spooky season. We'd be glad to meet you.